Welcome back to Onin's channel. Today's episode is all about recreating one of my old works before. Now let's see the transformation.
Under the bed near the bottles I broke, cause you took her home. I don't have to ask cause I know how it goes. You're holding her close, hands in her hair and you're taking it slow. You hate that I know, you hate that I know. I stay awake every night cause it hurts how I miss you, but I stay when you treat me rough. Hold my breath but it's not enough. I've been so anchored in loving you, I forgot how to. Had to leave when you treat me rough. Had to breathe in this drowning love. Had to breathe in this drowning love. Found your cologne, reminds me of Greece when you loved me the most. It's too hard to cope. Remember the nights that we spent on the coast. I held on to hope, cause I didn't know you would leave me alone. You're watching me go, you're watching me go. I stay awake every night cause it hurts how I miss you, but I stay when you treat me rough. Dance!
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video.